Okay, this is part 2 of how to make a sound for the very first time on your saxophone. We've just put our reed on our mouthpiece with the ligature. Now, if you missed that video, make sure you go back and watch the very detailed steps on how to do that the right way. If you do it the wrong way, you're not gonna make a sound at all. Now, I want you to say the letter V, like victory or Vegas, something like that. Victory. When you say victory, your top teeth touch your bottom lip. I'd say like in the middle of your bottom lip. Everybody has different sized teeth and lips and everything. So we need to make sure that when we say victory, think about where your teeth are touching your bottom lip. You don't say victory like this, victory, right? So right about where your teeth touch your bottom lip when you say the word victory, that's where the reed is gonna rest on your bottom lip. Okay, now your bottom lip also is slightly, just like when you say the word victory, your bottom lip is slightly curved over your bottom teeth. The bottom lip is a cushion on the reed, okay? So say victory, 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 victory. All right? Now that's where your reed is gonna rest on your bottom lip. Now for your top part of your jaw, that's where your teeth are gonna go on the mouthpiece. I usually recommend about a ½ an inch or so. Again, this is very different between every mouthpiece, reed, musician, everybody's different. So you got to get with a private teacher face to face. You can't really do this in a video. I'm doing the best I can. So about halfway up, or sorry, about ½ an inch up on my mouthpiece, I'm going to put my teeth, okay? My top teeth. And also if you look at this from the side angle here, there's a point where the reed and the mouthpiece separate like this. And you want to make sure that that's getting sealed off with your mouth. So my top teeth are about a ½ an inch up this way. My bottom lip is curved over a little bit over my bottom teeth, as if I'm saying the letter V. And I'm going to apply gentle pressure and seal my mouth around the reed and the mouthpiece to create an airtight seal. Okay? And then I blow air. And it should sound like that. And that's success. If you've reached this point, you're sounding like a baby duck. So now you can go to the next video and talk about making a sound on the actual saxophone. All right, thanks for watching.